ABC Creative Studio. Materials. Prepare a black cardboard with A4 size. Cut like this in a foam sheet as flower pot and paste it. Make a stripe pattern like this to make the pot a 3D design. Cut a round shape to make a flower design. Cut the circle into a spiral form. You can use a toothpick to roll the paper to make a flower design. Paste it with glue at the bottom to form the flower. Do the same step to other colored paper to make your artwork colorful and attractive. Make at least 20 pieces of a paper flower for the artwork. Let's start to design our artwork. You can add on other ready-made materials to beautify our work. Paste the flower with a stick glue or a glue. Put it one by one to match the color. Prepare a green foam sheet and cut like a leaves to add on to the design. Paste it around the flowers. Cut a colored paper and twirl and stick to make a design like this. Then put a golden beds to make your artwork more lively and to achieve a 3D design. Take a look at our finished artwork. Amazing! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.